going on, everyone? Today we're going to replace the remote battery in this 2022 Toyota Camry.
First step is just going to be to open the key up. We're going to use a small flathead screwdriver, and we're going to pry this cover off that we have on the back of the remote here. If you look, you can kind of see where it splits open right here on the remote. So get your flathead screwdriver and go and start prying up on the panel here. All right, you can see how it kind of comes off. And right here, you're going to have a rubber seal. This is a weather seal. Just pops right off. And at the bottom of the remote, there's a little slot right here. Just perfect for this flathead screwdriver. We're going to just pry the battery out. It's a little tricky. Okay. Get a new battery and I'll show you what size it is. Okay. So the size here we have is a CR2032. We're going to have the positive sign facing outwards, and place it back into the remote. It goes in like this first, okay, and then we push it in like that. Get the seal and just place it back over. All right, if you need a battery, check the description box. There's a link down there. It takes you to Amazon where you can pick up a battery for like $1, so check that out. And snap the back cover back on, close the key up, and we're done. Hope the video helped you out, and if it did, appreciate it if you'd like and subscribe.